Hello guys. So kakatapos lang natin panoodin yung SmackDown. So alam niyo na, nagkarambulan na ang OG Bloodline at saka yung new Bloodline ni Solo Sikoa. Grabe, solid ng brawl nila na yon. Tapos after no, nag-face to face si Roman Reigns saka si Jacob Fatu. Ngayon, meron silang fifth member. Nahanap na nila si Bronson Reed. Yun na yung fifth member ni Solo Sikoa sa War Games Bloodline match. Okay? So, hindi pa natin alam talaga kung sino ang fifth member ni Roman Reigns. Hindi natin alam kung sino yung fifth member ni Roman Reigns. No? Malalaman natin by Tuesday, this coming Tuesday. Pero ang alam ko, isa na yun, ang magiging last member ni Roman Reigns sa kanyang War Games team sa dating ng Survivor Series, walang iba kundi si Seth Rollins. Yes, si Seth Rollins ang magiging fifth member ni Roman Reigns. Kasi may ka-ongoing feud ni Bronson Reed si Seth Rollins. Ngayon, well-documented na yung history ni Roman Reigns at saka ni Seth Rollins. Goes back to NXT and goes back to The Shield. 'Di ba? Pero na yun, talagang yun talaga yung yung plan talaga. Magiging fifth member na ni Roman Reigns si Seth Rollins. Lalo na kanina, destruction ni Roman Reigns kanina. Talagang assaulted siya by the new bloodline. Tapos sinabi ni Jey Uso kay Roman Reigns, make the call, Us. Make the call. So sinasabi ni Jey Uso, make the call. So ibig sabihin, si Seth Rollins talaga yung tatawagin niya. Wala na siyang choice. Lugi talaga si Roman Reigns for over the past few weeks. For the past few weeks, yung original bloodline, naghanap sila ng bago member. Walang gustong makipag-team up sa kanila. Siyempre, pinagagawa ng OG bloodline sa kanila dati. Nung almost like 3 years or 4 years na. So, na yun, wala nang choice sa Roman Reigns kundi tawagan talaga si Seth Rollins. Make the call, sabi ni Jey Uso. Make the call. So, si Seth Rollins talaga yung magiging fifth member niya. And of course, marami pang mangyayari leading up to Survivor Series next week. 3 weeks. 3 weeks before Survivor Series. And of course, i-announce ko lang, kasi pinag-usapan na natin to, meron akong watch party sa December 1, Survivor Series. So, kung gusto nyo sumali, watch party, pwede kayo sumali sa Discord ko. So, yun lang naman guys. So, it's getting heat na, like, it's a War Games match na, parang pump na ako for Survivor Series. In 3 weeks! The new bloodline versus the original bloodline. So yun lang naman guys. What are your thoughts into the comments guys? put your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this video, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe na kayo sa TikTok ko and sa YouTube. So for more wrestling content and gaming content, peace out!